Hi friends, welcome back to Chenna Tech Point. Today we are going to see how to create a REST API in API Gateway. Go to AWS console, type API Gateway, select the API Gateway service. Here I am selecting REST API. Click on Build to create a new REST API. Click on OK. Here it's selecting REST API. Defaultly it will select the example of REST API. It will provide some example of REST API. We are creating a new REST API. Select on New REST API. Here we need to provide the REST API name, REST demo, endpoint type leave it, click on create API, click on actions, click on resources. We need to create a resource name I am giving REST demo. Check the enable API gateway cross, create resource. Here you can see resource is created with the name REST demo. Click on actions. We need to create a methods for REST API. Here I am creating one method with the post. Click on tick button. It will create the post method. We are integrating REST API with Lambda function. For that we need to create one Lambda function. Click on Lambda. Click on create function. Here we need to provide the function name. Here run type I am selecting Python 3.9. Here execution role leave it as a default. Click on create function. Lambda function created with the name Lambda demo. Scroll down. Here you can see one Lambda function is created with the function name Lambda handler with the parameters event and context. Here we need to print the event. We done the any changes. We need to deploy the code. Click on deploy. Click on text. Here we need to provide the event name. Now Lambda function is ready. We can integrate our Lambda function to REST API. Go to REST API. Refresh the page. Here we integrating this REST API with Lambda function. Type Lambda demo. We are already creating one function in Lambda. The function name displayed here. Select Lambda demo. Click on save. Click on OK. Lambda function integrated with the REST API. Click on actions again. We need to deploy the API. In deployment stage we need to provide the stage. I am providing deployment. Click on deploy. Now REST API deployed successfully. It will generate the one REST API. Copy this REST API. Go to Postman tool. I open the Postman. Here we need to provide the REST API. Select the type, post mapping. Here we need to provide the resource as well. REST demo. Click on body. Click on raw. Here we need to provide the type is JSON. Here I am providing the values. Key is the text one. Value I am providing some value. I am sending the data. You can see values inserted successfully. It will return the code 200. In the body it will return hello from Lambda function. Go to Lambda function. Refresh the page again. Lambda function integrate with API gateway. Scroll down. Click on monitor. Click on view CloudWatch logs. In logs, recently one log is generated. Click on that log. Pass some values through Postman. Text 1 value, text 2 value. In this way we can integrate our Lambda functions to REST API with the help of API gateway. Thank you for watching. For more updates, please subscribe my channel.